these are some of the parts I'm going to be changing soon on my E38 740i. So this is the Febi bilstein water pump. This is the part number for it. It's going to be quite easy with this to search across the internet. Thermostat, I believe they manufacture genuine parts from BMW. You could see the part number. Just in case you're wondering, this is supposed to go in here. It mightn't be the correct position, but you're getting the gist anyway. So this is the thermostat. Okay. So we're coming to the belt section now. So this is the tensioners, pulleys. So it's, you can see the make and model. Quite expensive part. It's manufactured by INA. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it comes in a Febi bilstein kit, and this is the manufacturer that makes it from BMW as well. AC belt, fan belt, another pulley. This is on the air conditioning belt on this one. We're coming to the gasket section here. So these are on the spark plugs, valve cover, intake manifold. I'm gonna show you, this is exactly the same. So for each side, this is the part number for this is after 1998, so 740i. It fits E39s, anything with the M62 TU engine. So this is one side, 12396, and 12397 is the other side of the other bank. You have other seals here, as you can see, these grommets, part number 24323 and 32145. We have the CCV, brand new again, Febi bilstein. I quite like this brand, as you can probably tell. 40909 is the part number for this. Again, this is something that a lot of people in the US have to do. It's not really common in the UK and Europe, but I'm gonna do them at some point anyway. So these are the timing chain guides. I'm gonna show you the part number for this one. It's a bit torn, but I hope you can see it. 47399. This is the other one, 47387. And by the way, don't be afraid to buy this make, swag or swag or whatever way people call it. They're all German makes. This is the same manufacturer, swag and Febi bilstein, same company. Just buy whatever's cheaper. This is the part number, and normally if you notice, the last 5 numbers are the part numbers that Febi bilstein uses. So you have a 5-digit number, and if you type this number 44623, you will get a Febi bilstein part. So just for the ones that didn't know that. And then you have oil filter, air filter, oil filter, and the cabin filters that are Febi bilstein again, 18877. They're both the same. I have some other bits and pieces here that I'm not going to go into great detail, but this is for the front brake calipers, a repair kit with all the bits and pieces inside, all the seals. So this is for one caliper, the second caliper, so enough to do the front, and 4 brand new parking sensors. This is, as you can tell, sump gasket, and another one. This is the bottom, and this is the top of the sump. You can probably get away just by replacing that one if you're doing just the lower pan. This is for the wipers. I'm gonna do them at some point. They're not too bad for now, but anyway, I have them when they're needed. I have some spare bits and pieces here. This is a filter for the LPG gas system, and this is a sump plug, some brand new wheel bolts, and some valves for the calipers in case something breaks or whatever. This is just a spare guide rail. Another brand new filter. It's a German manufacturer. I've never used them before. They look to be very, very good quality. And these are indicators, brand new indicators. To be honest with you, the reason I bought these is just for the seal. To seal the gasket around the indicator. My original indicator fell off one day. Don't ask me why, but anyway, it fell off. It wasn't tightened properly, fell off, and I lost the gasket. I was on the motorway, and then literally just had to buy. I got a pair because they were cheap enough, so I wanted to just replace the gasket, but I can't buy it just by itself. I have another full box here. I'm gonna open this at another time. It's absolutely full of parts that are on the rear suspension. Any bushing, anything that you can think, ball joint, all the arms, all the suspension arms, subframe bushings, everything is in that box. So I'm gonna do that at some point. I'm probably going to drop the subframe at some point, drop the diff, maybe sandblast everything, repaint it with epoxy paint, and then when I'm doing that job, then I'm gonna end up changing all the bushings. Everything has to be new. Yeah, so stay tuned, and hopefully at some point you're gonna see this getting replaced. Thank you very much for viewing, and good luck.